10 Coolest Doomsday Survival Gear and Gadgets. When it comes to preparing for doomsday or just being ready for the unexpected, having the right survival gear can make all the difference. Today, we'll look at some of the coolest and most practical survival gadgets and tools designed to help you weather any storm, navigate the unknown, and stay safe. These incredible pieces of gear are made for survival enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone who believes in being prepared. Each one is packed with features that can prove invaluable in challenging situations, from sparking a fire to lighting your way, providing clean water, or navigating tricky terrain. Wazu Spark. The Wazu Spark is a compact yet incredibly powerful fire-starting tool that's perfect for survival situations. Designed to be small enough to fit in a pocket or attached to a keychain, the Wazu Spark allows you to start a fire in any condition, whether it's windy, wet, or freezing cold. This tool uses a combination of ferrocerium and magnesium to create a reliable spark that can ignite tinder almost instantly, making it an essential item for anyone looking to stay warm or cook food during a doomsday scenario. Unlike traditional matches that can get wet and become useless, the Wazu Spark works regardless of the elements, offering a dependable source of fire-starting power. Beyond just functionality, the Wazu Spark is also designed with durability in mind. The materials are corrosion-resistant, so it will last through countless uses and tough conditions. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry without weighing you down. Plus, it comes with a variety of configurations, allowing you to choose one that fits your needs, whether you're heading out for a weekend hike or preparing a full survival kit. CESEN GM300. The CESEN GM300 is a survival gadget that combines a radio, flashlight, and power bank into one versatile device, making it ideal for anyone needing to stay informed and connected during emergencies. This compact powerhouse features an AM/FM radio with NOAA weather alerts, so you'll always be up to date on any approaching storms or critical information from emergency broadcasts. Even if the power goes out, the GM300 has multiple charging options, including a hand crank and solar panel, so you can keep it going without relying on a wall outlet. It's a smart, reliable way to stay connected and safe, even in the most challenging situations. What makes the CESEN GM300 truly valuable is its additional functionality as a flashlight and a power bank. The built-in flashlight provides bright illumination for navigating in the dark, while the power bank allows you to charge your essential devices, like a phone or GPS. These added features can be a lifesaver, especially in situations where every tool counts. Streamlight Lit Box. The Streamlight Lit Box is a high-powered lantern that provides brilliant light over large areas, perfect for emergency situations, campsites, or any scenario where visibility is critical. This lantern can run for hours, ensuring you have a dependable source of light when the sun goes down, making it invaluable for those preparing for doomsday scenarios or prolonged power outages. With adjustable brightness settings, you can control the amount of light based on your needs, from a soft glow to a powerful beam that cuts through the darkest of nights. Its rugged, waterproof construction ensures that the light box is built to last, even in tough conditions. One of the standout features of the Streamlight Lit Box is its long-lasting battery life. It can run continuously for hours without needing a recharge, making it a practical choice for extended use. Additionally, the Lit Box includes a shoulder strap for easy transport, allowing you to carry it around without hassle. This lantern isn't just a source of light. It's a beacon of security that helps you feel safer and more prepared in the dark. The Streamlight Lit Box's combination of power, durability, and convenience makes it a must-have in any serious survival kit. Weare Biodegradable Wet Wipes. Weare Biodegradable Wet Wipes may not seem like the first thing you'd think of for survival, but when you're out in the wilderness or facing an extended emergency, cleanliness is crucial. These biodegradable wipes are designed for rugged conditions and provide a quick, easy way to stay clean and hygienic when water and soap aren't readily available. Whether it's for washing your hands, cleaning up after a meal, or simply freshening up, these wipes ensure you stay comfortable and reduce the risk of infections or skin issues. Plus, they're biodegradable, so you can use them without worrying about harming the environment. What sets Weare's wet wipes apart is their durability. Unlike regular wipes that tear easily, these are thick, sturdy, and designed to handle more than just a gentle wipe. They come in compact, portable packs that are easy to carry, making them ideal for any survival situation or outdoor adventure. They're safe for all skin types with a refreshing scent and natural, gentle ingredients. Weare biodegradable wet wipes are more than just a luxury. They're a necessity for anyone wanting to maintain personal hygiene and morale in tough times. Whan Survival Axe. The Whan Survival Axe is a versatile tool that combines multiple functions into one durable, easy-to-carry axe. Built for chopping, hammering, prying, and more, this survival axe is crafted from high-quality materials that ensure it can handle whatever you throw at it. Its design includes a hammerhead and a blade that's sharp and sturdy, making it a go-to tool for building shelter, preparing firewood, or defending yourself if necessary. Whether you're facing a survival situation in the wild or prepping your home for emergency scenarios, the Whan Survival Axe provides a reliable multi-use tool that's easy to carry and even easier to use. Not only is the Whan Survival Axe practical, but it's also built to last. Made with a full tang design and a comfortable non-slip grip, it's designed to withstand the test of time and intensive use. Garmin Montana. The Garmin Montana GPS is an advanced navigation device that provides essential location tracking and mapping capabilities for survivalists and adventurers alike. This rugged, handheld GPS is perfect for finding your way through unfamiliar terrain, with highly detailed maps and a reliable satellite connection that keeps you on track even in remote areas. Equipped with multiple satellite networks, including GPS and GLONASS, the Montana provides exceptional accuracy, allowing you to navigate confidently, whether you're in dense forests, high mountains, or desert plains. It's designed for those who need a dependable way to stay oriented in survival situations. Beyond just navigation, the Garmin Montana is packed with additional features. Xdragon Portable Solar Panel. The Xdragon Portable Solar Panel is an essential gadget for keeping your devices charged during a power outage or while off the grid. This compact solar panel can be unfolded and placed in direct sunlight to harness energy and charge a variety of devices, from smartphones to rechargeable batteries. It's a must-have for any survival kit, ensuring that you can stay connected, power essential gadgets, or even provide light when electricity isn't available. The Xdragon is lightweight and folds down into a manageable size, making it easy to pack and carry on any adventure. Perwin Survival Multitool. The Perwin Survival Multitool is an all-in-one gadget that combines several essential tools into a single portable device. From a knife and saw to pliers and screwdrivers, this multi-tool is designed to help you tackle a range of tasks in survival situations. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust, which is critical when you're out in the elements. The compact design allows it to fit easily in a pocket or attached to a belt, making it convenient for on-the-go use, whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for Doomsday. With the Perwin Survival Multi-Tool, you have the convenience of multiple tools in one, reducing the need to carry a full toolbox. This tool is built to handle heavy use, with ergonomic grips and easy-to-access features, making it practical and comfortable to use. It's ideal for handling minor repairs, food preparation, or even defense if needed. In any survival situation, the Perwin Multitool offers a reliable, compact solution that prepares you for anything. Neewer Light 1500. The Neewer Light 1500 is a high-powered flashlight that doubles as a self-defense tool, providing both light and protection in one sleek design. With a powerful 1500 lumen beam, this flashlight lights up your path, making it ideal for navigating in the dark or signaling for help. But what sets it apart is its sturdy, baton-like build, which can be used as a defensive tool in emergencies. It's built from durable, impact-resistant materials, ensuring that it can withstand tough conditions and serve as a reliable piece of gear in any survival kit. Beyond its strength and brightness, the Neewer Light 1500 is also rechargeable, making it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Weare Lensatic Military Compass. The Weare Lensatic Military Compass is a top-tier navigation tool that's designed to help you find your way even in the most challenging environments. Unlike digital devices that rely on batteries, this analog compass provides a reliable way to navigate, no matter how far off the grid you are. Its Lensatic design allows for precise readings, giving you an accurate sense of direction to keep you oriented. Built with a rugged metal casing, this compass is made to endure rough handling and extreme weather, making it an ideal companion for survival scenarios and outdoor adventures. In addition to its durability, the Weare Lensatic compass is incredibly easy to use, with a clear display and simple sighting mechanism.